What's going on, guys? Today we'll be installing my Zoom exhaust Brute on my 2020 Honda Grom. We're gonna get rid of the stock exhaust and replace it to that because it's gonna sound a lot cooler than just the stock one. All the tools you need to install the exhaust is a 12mm wrench and a 12mm socket. And I'll be back till this whole thing laid out and I'll show you what it looks like. So I know I didn't lay it out yet, but this is what the package looks like. You know, all protected, you know, all that nice, packaged and everything. So I'm gonna unpackage this and I'll be back in a second. So I just unpackaged the Zoom exhaust. Here it is, the Brute exhaust. Trash is over there, you know, all that. And I actually like it a lot. Like, it's welded so nice, you know, like very professional too. Like, you know, nothing like, you know, messed up or anything. Like, I like the logo too for it. And, you know, here's the parts to put it on it. And yeah, and here's the DB killer, which I think I'm gonna have it, but I will take it off in a while and see how it sounds like. But if it sounds like not loud enough, I'll just take it off and take it off from there too. So I'm pretty excited. We're gonna be taking off the stock exhaust, so it's gonna be a little speed video for you, you know, so it's not gonna take you forever, you know. Watch me slowly take this exhaust off. So I'll be back till this is the stock exhaust, and it's very heavy, like indeed very heavy. And this is really heavy. Like, I don't understand why Honda wants this exhaust so heavy. Like, it's not worth that at all. Like, damn, this bike is definitely gonna be lighter now, for sure. And yeah, so we're gonna be starting to install this and get things done. You know, obviously screw those two evenly, one by one. And yeah, so there was a bolt here, there was a bolt here, and obviously a bolt here, and then obviously two of these that you gotta do. But wow, this is a very heavy exhaust. I don't know what I will be doing with this exhaust. Probably just put in storage or something. But yeah, so I'll be back another clip of me installing this. I am officially done with the exhaust. So yeah, it was pretty easy to put on, not gonna lie. Just had to tighten those, tighten this, put that on, the little bracket over there. I don't know if you guys see it right there. There's a bracket right here. But other than that, it's all good, and it works very well actually. And then obviously before you start it, make sure reset the ECU, and then put rubbing alcohol on it, and you'll be all set. Because if you don't put rubbing alcohol, obviously you see this is kind of turning orange because I kind of rode a little bit. It sounds amazing. I love it. And because, you know, if I didn't put rubbing alcohol, everything would be, you know, would be ruined, and I don't like it, you know. But it sounds very good and legit. I love it a lot. Very The hardest part is it's kind of hard to tighten this bolt over there, but I think, you know, I did it and it was very easy after all. And after that, it's very, you know, and then the only thing I don't like is about this oil right here. It's right on top of it. I mean, you can just unscrew that, you know, and then unscrew this and move it, you know. We can move it, the pipe, and you'll be great. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I love it. And there's gonna be a preview of this sound. So yeah, that's it. It's very loud. I love it. I took a ride with it and I kind of feel bad for the neighbors, not gonna lie. But hey, it's fun and I love it, and I would definitely prefer this exhaust than the loop, no offense, but I kind of like this. I really haven't really tried about the loop yet, but you know, I mean, I probably will try in the future with the loop, but I think this sounds more better than the loop because my friend has a Grom and he has a loop, and you know, and yeah, so that's basically it, guys. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like and share this video and comment what else you guys want me to do a video. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I'll talk to you guys later.